Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use AI model on CapCut. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the CapCut. On the options, click on AI model. First, you should choose character for your model. You can choose between them. You can use this clothes or picture of dress or clothes on your gallery. You can choose it. Wait for generating. Now you can choose the style of character. After that, click on generate. The model has been created. As you can see, the CapCut model with my dress. You can choose for your dress, clothes, t-shirt or other. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.